How to fix the default program for JPG or JPEG is not working in Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So for the first solution, what we have to do is go to settings and then click on the apps. After that, click on default apps. Hereby, you have to search for the photos folder. Scroll down a bit and click on photos. Once you have clicked on this, we have to search for our .jpg or .jpeg. We have to make sure that it is selected to photos. This is one way to check. For the next option, we have to set the default values. For that, again click on apps and go to default apps. Hereby, scroll to the bottom and you will see an option called as choose default by file type. Here on the search of file type, write in .jpg or .jpeg. Doing so will open the file type. You have to click on this side button and then click on set as default. You can do the same for the .jpeg also, and this should probably fix the problem. However, if the issue still exists, the other way is to go to photos. For that, you can either go through the settings, or for the next option, you can either go to the search bar and then search for photos. Once you have typed in, right click on photos and there you will see app settings. Click on app settings. After that, you will see the option, scroll down a bit and then click on repair. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.